I'm a Keshav. I'm from Agra, EP. I've done 12th class in 2014-16, and I pursuing BA third year in this year. I will get over my BA third year, and as well as I'm prepared to computer courses, and I'm working on YouTube channels. This is a good advice, good opportunity for me to go ahead. So this is my
Mhm.
important introduction, not
Okay.
too much. This is my little bit short, sir.
That's great, brother. It was nice introduction. So, by the way, brother, you are speaking a English language. So, this is your natural accent, and you are trying to learn, accept some kind of another accent like British, English, British, America. This is your natural accent.
This is my natural accent. No, I try my time. I wanna make over my English as well as accent. I'm working on accent divided everywhere. I'm fond of British accent. This is superb, one of the best in the world. So many
Okay.
people, especially Indian people, should follow British accent. Got
Mhm.
it?
Oh, I see. So, this is we can call British accent.
British
Whatever you.
accent, but not a properly. Sometimes it happens wrong pronounce. So I stuck there. I problem is but I'm making over my life. It's my accent writing.
Oh, I see. So, brother, how do you practice yourself? We can say, how do you try to learn an accent? Because I'm confusing. Even whenever I try to learn, so I don't know what is a rule and regulation. Like which sound, which word we should, pronounce proper, and how do we bend our tongue? So how do you manage yourself? How do you learn? Please share with me.
To be honest, I'm not say, but you tell I can say with you. We have to practice make up my
Okay.
perfect. We have to listen and then see be focus articulations. If somebody talk, then focus their tongue like a mouse lip sync type. Then follow the problem. You're not understanding the problem. You are not speaking the problem, but identify your weakness. Which type of weakness do you have? Can't you pronounce good word? Can't you pronounce like a right word while speaking English to anyone? I keep reading books and I wanted 10 page, 20 page. I read habitually. I focus on pronunciation, I focus on pronounce and accent. I speak with a different sound. My Indian sound is different, my British sound is different, but I want to change my sound while speaking English. I'm talking to something normal English. I don't want to follow. As a, if you have watched my video on YouTube also, but I make over. I watch videos on YouTube consistently regarding English pronounce, word pronounce, at phrasing, and as well as I'm fond of about Lucy, English with Lucy. I'm
English,
watching
loose.
her move,
Yeah.
and also British
Uh-huh.
spoken English. You can see this 4 5 channels I'm following TV. I get news
Okay.
from them. I don't confuse which type of should I take out sound from my tongue. Just I think, then I take out according to what which type of word I have to take out sound. Then I think this is good. But you have to pronunciation, and you can't speak English fast with accent until you read books. You need to read a 4 5 books in a day. Which means 5 pages in a morning time, 5 pages in a evening time. Then you can English speaking like if you can't read fast, how can you speak? How can you take out good sounds in English to English? So identify reading to reading, reading to reading. Reading is the perfect. Do you know about IELTS exam? They target listening, reading, writing, speaking. If you have good commands
Speaking.
on this problem, then you can pass IELTS exam. So be too special. Indian sound is different. You have to implement like a British sound. Think I'm speaking English, so I'm talking English, speaking how to something change sound while speaking English. Then you can, in fact, you can identify, yeah, something good I'm changing. If you start English, then you have to start your, reading books, divided in every way. Reading. One of the best. Reading skills made me help a lot of. I'm glad to about this really, to be honest. So
Oh,
I've
I
told you
see.
this: eating, writing, and speaking. I speak
Yeah.
English on my camera, front of camera. So I speak. I have to speak. It's a different sound. So I can identify how this is my sound. It's good.
Yeah, that's good, brother. Seriously, I can see like your work is showing in front of me. You know, like you are learning accent, and plus your story also fantastic, brother. So, bro, like my point of view, I mean, are you planning to go abroad? That's why reason you are learning accent. What's your reason? Like, you know, I mean,
This is my
very
vision.
few people
I
talk
wanna.
about accent. Very few people, you know, accept the accent. You know,
Mhm.
especially if we talk about India. Okay, so here is like no anyone try to learn accent. Every very few people. But I think you have a behind reason. That's why reason you are trying to learn. So can you share with me about
My
why you are
vision is
learning?
abroad. I wanna
Hmm?
catch job in abroad, especially go to in the UK. So I'm working. I'm making over my accent in English speaking. That's why I'm working on grammatical mistake. I know I sometimes I do mistake grammatical mistake. So I feel I feel boring that time. I feel ashamed to myself for trying to in case of implement your grammatical mistake. Somebody will not let you entry in their country. So even I have to complete my examination of fourth section, listening, writing, speaking, and reading. Then we have to
Oh,
complete the fourth section. Then I have to there go to there. That's this problem. So I'm into having to working on this. Having to focus on pronunciation, accent, and every phrasing. I am sometimes happen keep out this problem, keep out this place, like English is keep out, but I don't mention. But I wanna keep an eyes in my mind, in my thing, my one thing, two thing, focus on all this. So I focus only phrasing, pronounce, grammatical mistake. This it will find then I can get up there because they have to complete exam. Exam is the most important for every
yeah.
field. This
Yes.
happen.
Yeah, you're right. Like exam is also important. And for example, if you try to go in any English country, so over there it's a very necessary to crack exam. We can say speaking is very very important. They always
Sure.
check your ability. Like are you able to talk with stranger people or not? That's why reason some people try to prefer an accent. So that's
Yes,
great,
sure.
brother. Seriously. So right now you're doing a study like a BA in third
A
year.
student, I'm doing study BA third year, Bachelor of
Okay.
Arts. I will get
Okay.
over in this month. Oh no matter because of lockdown.
Yeah.
Lockdowns, I don't know when will it go out.
Okay. Yes. So,
I
brother,
haven't fixed.
what's your future plan after degree? What will you do? Will you apply to any IELTS exam? Then after go to move on any
So
other country?
after
Yeah.
degree, I will file. I will submit the IELTS and IELTS. This is my first choice. This is
Okay.
my team.
Okay, I see. That's great. So, brother, which work you prefer to do in future? Like we can say any calling department, any back office, any IT sector. I mean, you are non-background IT, like you're doing a BA, Bachelor's of Arts, I think. So maybe like you can go in with a teacher department. So, what's your future plan? Like about the profession, what will you do become?
I wanna be a good executive in one company, multinational company. Good
Okay.
executive.
Okay, so your purpose is like you want to become a teacher.
Good executive company like a assistant type of. But I want
Oh,
to be manager in one company because executive means company executive. So I'm fond of this.
executive, yeah. Okay. Oh, I see. That's great. So maybe it will take a time little bit. We can say this year and next year maybe. I hope so, brother. All the best. I'm going to wish you like you will crack your IELTS exam. You will get a visa and immigration earlier. Then you can make a good your life. Okay.
Still,
So all the best, brother.
it may
Yeah.
costly. It may most really extremely costly. How will I manage this? My father is not earning very much. But
Yeah,
I'm
I
working on
understand.
YouTube. I hope YouTube will help me one day.
No
So
problem,
it will good.
always, brother.
So,
If we try to help our father, definitely father will help us. So our
sure.
responsibility is just at least try, at least take a responsibility. And you're right, brother. Like you are planning to do something new. You're going to abroad, so you have to struggle more. You have to collect the money, because I'm hearing, if you talk about
Mhm.
IELTS, so around 13,000 one time, I think. Am I right? 13 to 14,000 one time. So just just pay a
No
fee,
matter.
brother, and do hard work, crack exam, move on. Definitely life will change, brother. Life will
But
change you.
no, uh, I've heard about you. You lived in Mumbai. What you do there? What's your business?
Yeah, actually, brother, see, in right now, if you talk about right now situation, it's totally, we can say like not worthless. Okay, it's totally bad. But if we talk about my profession, brother, so I was working in hospitality industry as a reception boy.
Oh, you said to me hospitality.
Yeah. But right
Hmm.
now, brother, I'm a
But right now
jobless.
is out
Yeah,
everything off. I think
yeah, brother, what you're talking about?
I'm talking about everything has been closed because of lockdown.
Yeah, brother, everything is shut down here. Like lockdown started, we
Lockdown.
can say in a March time, and still now it's going on. We cannot go to outside. It's very difficult to manage, brother. It's very difficult. And you know very well, like Maharashtra, Mumbai, it's like number one state. We can say, like cases are
Under
increasing in here. So it's very difficult, brother. We can't do anything in here. We cannot do. But I'm trying for that. Even I'm also learning, I'm also improving my communication skill for my job.
yes,
That's why
I
reason,
implement.
sometimes I interact with the
It
stranger
keeps
people
on.
about
I'm
something.
interrupt you. I'm interrupt you. If
Yeah,
it keeps on, you can get over your hard work will pay off definitely.
yes, yeah,
I'm waiting this. I'm waiting a hard work pay. When will hard work pay me? But it's a good opportunity will come, bad opportunity will go out. So we should follow right opportunity. We should work with a good direction, not a unnecessary negative direction. Positive thinking, positive doing. Positive will give you 100 reasons to something. Go ahead. So we should take a ideas under the pen, the this, there. We should understand girl and boy similar, not a understanding. He's not educated, he's not uneducated. Not everything is good. We should
okay,
behave something similar, something equal we have to everyone.
yeah,
Some of people ignore his uneducated boy. No, this is wrong, dear.
yes, yeah. I understand. In especially in India, brother, we try to partiality in here. Seriously, in
Yeah,
India, we try to judge a people like you are educated, you are not educated. You should do something. You should just do some work like that. So that's why
we
reason
should
I,
never underestimate anyone. Underestimate. We should
yeah,
never
okay,
underestimate to anyone. I know how which type of does he has a mind, which type does he has a mind. He will success. No matter. No, we can't judge. We can't see their list how much he has right. Yes.
yeah, right, right, right. Always, brother. See, educated means what? We learn over there, like how to behavior. One thing I learned, brother, like I mean, your degree is just a piece of paper, but your education is seem like behavior. So depend on your
Sure.
education, what you learn over there, how to give a respect, what's your manners, how to your behavior, everything you learn from your education. So it's very important whenever you get a degree. So don't show off over extra over smart, we can say. Lots of people do that, brother. But our responsibility, at least we have to respect in front of, like, who are you, how are you, like that. Always
Yes.
respect, brother. Always respect. So this is teacher
Some of
education.
people has a ego will get down their people. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we should never ego to, yourself. Somebody has a money, and is many billionaire people never ego, never
Yes.
ego. But little bit like a fudgy type of I don't know if fake person
Okay.
ego. Another person I have a money, I have this, I have that as well. No, billionaires and a recessional boy People never echo their work. They mean only their education, their business, they want to and establish in their life. Want to be focused only organize. They don't focus on another organization. Their organization want to implement. To implement the organization divided in every single day.
Yeah, you're right, brother. So depend on us. Okay. So, brother, like it was
Yeah.
amazing conversation right now. Okay, you want to discuss with something right now?
We will discuss tomorrow. Yeah, over tomorrow because 2 days enough, sufficient for us. And
Okay.
nice talk to you today. And
Yeah,
it
you
was nice conversation.
seriously.
Thank
I'm
you for having
glad
to
with you. I'm glad with you. Thank you very much for attending my call, and thank you very much for
Bye.
calling. All the best to your
Yes.
exam. See you.